The absolute refractive index of air is 1.003, and wavelength of yellow light in vacuum is 6000 angstrom. Find the thickness of air column which will contain one more wavelength of yellow light than in the same thickness of vacuum. So जो given है पहले हम उसे लिखते हैं wavelength 6000 angstrom, then wavelength of yellow light in air. तो हम जानते हैं कि रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वैक्यूम क्या होता है ना, वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम बाई वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इन एयर. सो wavelength of yellow light in air lambda a is equal to wavelength of light in vacuum by refractive index, okay, of air 6000 by 1.003 angstrom. Let thickness of ये सपोज थिकनेस ऑफ क्या है, ये टी है, ये वैक्यूम है, और ये थिकनेस सेम है टी, ये एयर है. यहाँ पर यदि मान लो n नंबर ऑफ वेव्स रहता है तो यहाँ पर सपोज n+1 वेव रहता है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर वेवलेंथ यदि लैम्बडा v है और यहाँ पर वेवलेंथ लैम्बडा a है, तो नंबर ऑफ waves in vacuum is equal to T upon lambda vacuum, that is equal to T upon 6000 angstrom. Similarly, in air number of waves is equal to n+1 and wavelength of light is now lambda a. So you can write n+1 is equal to T upon lambda a, and you know the value of lambda a, I have written already. Lambda a is equal to lambda v by refractive index of air. So you can write T by lambda v by n, or you can write n T upon lambda v. So n+1 is equal to n is equal to 1.0003. This is the refractive index of air into T upon 6000 angstrom. Okay. Now you can write, you can see here in place of n I can write T upon 6000 angstrom plus 1 is equal to 1.0003. I think the value of refractive index is 1.0003. So you can write here by T. Now it is about 6000. Sorry. This is equal to this is now 6000 angstrom. Okay. So T plus 6000 angstrom is equal to 1.0003 T, and T minus 1.0003 T is equal to minus 6000 angstrom. Now T is common, 1 minus 1.0003 is equal to minus 6000 angstrom. So So this is equal to minus T into 0.0003 is equal to minus 6000 angstrom. Now T is equal to 6000 angstrom divided by 0.0003. Now it is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 7 angstrom, or we can write 2 millimeter. So the thickness equal to 2 millimeter. This is the answer. Please share and subscribe this channel, this video also. Thank you for watching.